What a beautiful day. What's here? Ooh, is that a volcano? Let me see it. Let's see how hot it is. Ah! My hand! Ouch. Ooh, what are these? Rocks? Can I throw them? Let me see. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, my monkey brain gives me idea. Let me get a rock and throw it in the volcano. Run away! Ooh, nothing happened. Ooh, it changed color. Let me add another one. Let me add more rocks. Not enough rocks. Need more rocks. Is it done yet? Maybe this. Ooh, siren. Siren's here. It's starting. Is it not? Is it starting? Is it not? Oh, it's starting. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, that was close. Man, that's hot lava. I can feel it from here. Ouch, that's hot. Should I dive in? Nah, I'm not gonna dive in. Okay, fine, I'm gonna do it for the views. Oh my god, it's so hot. I can't swim, I can't swim. Okay, I can swim, I can swim. It's so hot. It's like a sauna or something like that. But I'm a monkey, I'm not scared of anything. Oh my god, there's so much sweat. Oh well, I'm gonna end this video. Bye.